my chicken. How dare you? Hey, what's up? Today this video is going to be completely different. It's not about bike, it's not about reviews, it's not about product unboxing. It's purely on cooking. Yes, of course, today is Sunday and it's going to be a little special. And I thought let me do some kind of cooking which you might get interested in. And this is going to be yummy. Trust me, because I tried many times and I thought let me bring it in front of you so that you can try if possible and make others happy and yourself happy. Right? So the question is, why cooking video? But cooking, there is a specific cooking channel, there's a specific review channel, there's special biking vlogs which generally happens. So I thought let me make something different, as this is basically a diaries which I'm thinking of to involve these kind of videos which I generally do it on my passion. Of course. So today we are going to do some chicken air fried or air fried chicken. It's similar to a barbecue, but it's not barbecue. But there are few things which you can think of barbecue, which I have already tried. And I'll put it over here. So with that, today I'm going to show how I generally prepare chicken and how it tastes. Basically the reviews will also include from people who are going to try from my family. Right? With this, let's hit the kitchen. So now, as I said, we are in the kitchen and now we are going to say what is going to be the ingredients for our chicken. Okay, so this is my chicken. And I got all the drumsticks or the leg pieces for this preparation, and I will have some masala added to it, and in the due course of this masala preparation you enjoy the music and see what ingredients that goes into this chicken to make it more yummy. Okay, all right. We are ready with the chicken. So let me try and taste it. You should try this. You're going to enjoy it. Very spicy. You can see the fume. I'm going to enjoy it. I hope you all enjoyed my chicken recipe, and this recipe was very tasty, and the way it was cooked was awesome. So finally, one thing I want to expect from all of you, those who have not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe and do like and comment. Thank you.